Hello traders, in this video I'm going to show you my current Spxl swing trade. I'll show you where I entered and where the stop loss is right now, if we're in profit, all that kind of stuff. If you're interested in the plan that I use to tell me when to enter these trades, exit them, and how to move my stop loss, they are available. All of my trading plans are available at patreon.com/tradingarmor at the battle plans tier level. I have a small cap trading plan, mid cap trading plan, swing trading plan, and a binary options trading plan, as well as you'll have access to spreadsheets and trading calculators if you're interested. So where am I in this trade? So we got in for the break of this daily candle, and this is the candle that we entered on right here on October 18th, and today is November 12th. So what happened after our entry? The price continued higher, our stop loss moved up, and it's continuing higher still. And this is previous all-time highs of the S&P 500. So you might think, well, it can't go much further than that. And let's see what happens. It went higher, and now it's looking like it might be getting weak over here. Again, this is our previous high. Here's where the current price is. Up, another red candle. Looks like obvious signs of weakness. Maybe we should jump out of the trade, but let's see what happens. This thing continues higher still. Here's another red candle. Maybe that's the sign of weakness. But what happened? Look at this. Just higher and higher. So the point I'm trying to make here is that you need to have a trading plan going in every single trade and just stick to that plan all of the time. Otherwise, these oscillations in price are going to shake you out of the trade prematurely. Now, what happened after this is we've made a brand new high, and now things are definitely looking weak. It can't go any higher. Look at that huge crash to the downside. And then what's happening today? Now we're making new highs again above this daily candle. Is it going to make new highs overall? I don't know. No one knows. Is it going to come back down to the 50 MA after this daily candle? Maybe. But the point is I have a plan, and it tells me exactly what to do, and that's all I'm doing. So let me unlock the trading platform, and I'll show you where my stop loss was as of last Friday, and then we'll move it to the appropriate place for this Friday. So let me just increase the resolution here so I can move these easier. So again, this is our position. This is where our original stop loss was at the time of entry, and we've been moving it up ever since. And as of last Friday, it was here at 120.29. So that's about 50 cents or so per share in profit as of last Friday. And this Friday, we get to move it all the way up to 147. So now we're roughly, let me see here, 120, 140. Trying to get it right on the money. Easier said than done. There we go, 121.47. So let's see, what is that? About $1.75, give or take a few cents in the profit now. And that's going to continue to go higher no matter what the price does. So I'm not saying this is the way that you should trade every single stock. I don't trade like this on my day trades, but this is how I trade S&P 500 ETFs, and it's all according to plan. So it's very easy trading. It's not stressful. It requires no subjectivity from my part, and that makes it so that I do not trade emotionally and make poor decisions in the moment. So if you look at my spreadsheet, I've been trading SPXL since May, and so far every single trade has been profitable except for one. That's trade number 4. The one above it is just an add-on to trade number 3. So trade number 3 was profitable overall. It's just that last add-on was not. But the trade number 3 is the sum of all 3 of these. And then trade number 4 was not profitable, but that type of trade is no longer allowed in the plan. So I've updated that since then. And the current trade that we're in, this is our P&L right now, but you can see we're well on track to hit our average P&L, which is about $20-something, maybe $25. Overall. So we're on track for that. We might even exceed that average. We'll see. But either way, and again, I know these numbers are small, but I'm only trading with about $500 on these specific trades. And if we look at the results so far since May, I've been, as I said, been trading this thing since May 20th. We've already turned this $500 that we're using to trade, again, on average, right now I think we're about $600 in this trade, but on average, about $500 per trade, and our P&L right now is $150. Some of that is unrealized, yes, but the point is that we've essentially turned $500 into $650 in a very safe way using an S&P 500 ETF. So the idea is that you're beating the inflation rate and you're beating the banks. If you would have just thrown $500 into the bank and on May 20th, there's no way that you would have this type of P&L at this point. So that's the idea. That's what we're trying to accomplish here with these swing trades, is just to beat out the banks, beat out inflation, and kind of follow the market. So very different than what I do with my day trading, but hopefully this video was helpful to you. The main thing, whether you're swing trading, day trading, trading options, whatever you're doing, you have to have a trading plan that tells you exactly when to get in these trades, when to get out, when to move your stop loss up, all that kind of stuff. Then you have to be tracking the results of those trades. Otherwise, you're not going to know if what you're doing is profitable. Always take your stop losses, honor your profit target, and in the long run, you should be green. Take care.